Oh yeah, look at this bag I got. My gosh. Number one, I've never seen bags this big in a store, but it's kind of obvious because you can see the customers here. They have, you know, boxes or shopping carts full of potato chip products. What a place, I tell you. If you get a chance, stop at the Utz Factory Store, corner Clearview and Carlisle Street. Oh, hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today is Tuesday, June 3rd, and I'm here in Hanover at the corner of Carlisle Street and Clearview Avenue, which actually is the location for the Utz Factory Outlet Store. Now, years ago, as I understand, they used to make the potato chips out here. Then they moved to another site a few miles away. I think that's over there in the background over there in that area. But for today, I've got my brother Chuck and my sister Elizabeth, which I don't think we've met my sister Elizabeth on the channel yet. Here she is. She's visiting from Kansas, and we're here at the Utz Factory Store. Now, the reason we're at this factory store, it's very popular in the local town here as the kind of one of the go-to things that you want to do. So let's just walk in, have a go, and see what the factory store is like. Well, hi there. You guys coming out? Come on out.
Thank you very much.
Hi, yep. You coming too?
One more.
All right.
Thank you.
Sure.
Well, and the brand is fine.
All right, so just walking into the Utz Factory Store. Let's take a look and see what's going on. Wow, this is large and in charge. All kinds of processed foods here available. You're getting a job?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, okay.
So did Agnes... I wonder where...
All right, so just going to walk down some of the aisles here. But you see they got all kinds of pretzel products here. Popcorn. Look at this, souvenir shirts. Oh my gosh, they actually have dog toys here as well. All kinds of really cool stuff here.
See, where did Agnes work? Did she work
Look at this, caramel popcorn, hard pretzels. I saw somebody walk out with one of those. Look at that, $4 for a large and in charge container of them. Pretzel sticks. I get the impression this section here is kind of like the bulk discount area. But wait a minute, they have daily deals back here? What's going on? Look at this, Zapp's chips. Oh, here you go. Now we're in the bargain area. Wow, all kinds of stuff you can buy in cases. Looks like no shortage of inventory here. Oh wow, look at this. These free samples. All right, we'll tell you what, I thought that was a quick, interesting little thing to do here in Hanover, Pennsylvania. So if you ever get to Hanover and you want to treat yourself and get some good snacks, high quality, they've been around for a very long time, probably 80 years or so, I'm guessing. I'll put a correction here and let you know how long they've actually been in town, but they're regarded as a very good potato chip and snack kind of thing to have. So all right, well, thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.